Hey guys, what's up? Danny here. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a crypto update as of March 14th, 2022. The global crypto market cap is 1.72 trillion, a 1% decrease over the last day. We got trending cryptos, Chills, Movie Block, and Elon's currency. Biggest gainers: ZikTalk, Hydrometa, and Metaverse, all best ICO. So basically, guys, Bitcoin's currently at $38,725.66, down by 1% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum's at $2,540.69, down by 2%. Uh, Binance coin is at $366.07, down by 2%. XRP is at 75.5 cents, down by 4%. Terra, $90.65, down by 0.02%. Cardano, 79.1 cents, down by 3%. Solana, $79.29, down by 3%. Avalanche, $66.54, down by 6%. Polkadot, $17.39, down by 3%. Dogecoin, 11.25 cents, down by 2%. Shiba Inu, 21.54, down by 4%. Polygon, $1.35, down by 4%. Kronos, 37.51 cents, down by 3%. Cosmos, $26.22, down by 5%. Litecoin, $102.62, down by 3%. Near Protocol, $9.82, down by 6%. Tron, 5.99 cents, down by 0.05%. Chainlink, $12.95, down by 2%. Uniswap, $8.36, down by 1%. Unised Leo, $5.84, up by 0.38%. FTX token is down by 1%. Bitcoin Cash down by 2%. Algorand down by 2%. Stellar down by 4%. Decentraland down by 3%. We got Hedera down by 2%, Ethereum Classic down by 3%, Internet Computer down by 3%. So, yeah, guys. So let's talk about Bitcoin. The current price and where it's kind of forecast to go. So, as you could tell, it kind of bottomed out, and right now it's kind of having a quick rebound and stuff, and it's just been trending. It's been trading in this territory for so long now, if you really think about it. So, like I was saying, Bitcoin was bound for either, a big bounce or going down. So it did go down in the short term, but to a very minor extent, right? You go to the 3-month chart, and you could still tell that there's still consolidation going on. We're still experiencing, lower highs and higher lows. We're just like trending within this territory anywhere from 37,500 all the way up to 42,000. So we're kind of still consolidating right now, and we still have to wait some time. But soon, I feel like we're gonna finish this consolidation process, and the fact that we're seeing higher lows also a very important factor, and we could see another bull rally. So like that's what I've been saying in the past couple days, right? I feel like Bitcoin's hitting a critical time for itself and Dogecoin, look at this, right? So it went down to about its level of resistance. I think it went just below it, but then it had a massive spike right after it did go down there. So this is important news. You see how, look at how, like, literally this and then this, right? This is a double bottom pattern. You go to the 3-month chart, it looks exactly like a double bottom pattern. And look, if you draw a line here, right, that's perfect. The fact that that dip was so minor and it wasn't big, that's very, very important. So today by 6 p.m. is going to be a crucial time for Dogecoin. I feel like that is very, very true, and we could either see a massive pump, or we could potentially go a little bit lower. But I feel like at this point, a massive pump is pretty much imminent. So that's it. Let's take a look at latest crypto news. Let's see what people are saying. Let's see this. March 14th news. Bitcoin trading above RS 30.30 lock. Let's see. Bitcoin's price is currently RS 30.30 lock with a dominance of 42.47%. This was a 0.04% fall over the day. U.S. Treasury Department stresses that Russia's sanctions extend to cryptocurrency. The U.S. Treasury Department's Office of Foreign Assets Control issued new guidance clarifying that U.S. citizens and digital asset firms are required to comply with sanctions against Russia, even when facilitating transactions in cryptocurrency. OFAC said in the guidance that people in the United States, as well as businesses that deal with cryptocurrency, must be vigilant against attempts to circumvent OFAC regulations and should take risk-based steps to ensure they do not engage in prohibited transactions. The warning comes as many in the crypto industry are responding to concerns from some lawmakers that digital assets could be used to circumvent Western sanctions imposed on Russia following its invasion of Ukraine. Biden administration officials have said that they do not believe Russia would be able to use cryptocurrency to completely evade sanctions, but are still asking companies to be on the lookout. Crypto asset sector told by UK regulators to comply with Russian sanctions. Okay, yeah, more news. Russians liquidating crypto in the United Arab Emirates as they seek safe havens. Crypto firms in the UAE are being deluged with requests to liquidate billions of dollars of virtual currency as Russians seek a safe haven for their fortunes. Company executives and financial sources said some clients are using cryptocurrency to invest in real estate in the United Arab Emirates, while others want to use firms there to turn their virtual money into hard currency and stash it elsewhere, the sources said. Meanwhile, Switzerland's financial market supervisor declined to comment on cryptocurrency transaction volumes. The country's economic affairs SECO said in an emailed statement that crypto assets were subject to the same sanctions and measures Switzerland was imposed on normal Russian assets and individuals. So if a person is sanctioned, their crypto assets must also be frozen in Switzerland. Okay, so again, more sanctions on crypto, which is kind of good news because now Russia is not going to have a stable economy. Less investors into crypto, less people making money from crypto, right? That's also a big factor you got to see. Right. You know how people were saying that Bitcoin's price kind of has to do with like, the overall trend of like the stock market and stuff? Well, the thing is that Dogecoin hasn't really been trending along with the stock market if you really think about it. It's a completely different thing than Bitcoin if you really think about it. Yes, so I feel like if the stock market does start crashing, I feel like there could be more upside potential to it. So let's take a look at the stock market. Not S&P 500. Let's take a look at it real quick. And we're kind of experiencing a double bottom pattern right now, right? There's a level of resistance that we are meeting, and same exact stuff is happening with crypto right now. And could we potentially see a more volatile crash? Well, I don't know. There was looks like in 2000 there was a massive pump here, and then looks like it fell by about 50%, right? This is about a 50% fall. Yeah. Um, so if the S&P 500 does fall by about 50%, it will be at around two, I would say around 3,000. Uh, 2,500 to 3,000, and crypto could also fall. But let's look at another comparison chart. So let's take a look at Bitcoin rainbow chart, right? So the S&P 500 is also testing a key level of resistance. So could we potentially continue going up from here? Well, honestly, I'm not completely sure if we are. Well, look at this. So 2014 we had a pump, right? And then we look at previous cycles too, Bitcoin pumps and stuff. Let's take a look at how the S&P 500 was doing from 2010 to like 2000 and okay. So the S&P 500 was recovering from President Bush throughout this whole time period. But crypto definitely went up much faster than the S&P 500. So with fears growing about World War II and everything like that, United States is a very, very dominant country. And the fact that economy is doing so well, without Russia, that shows a lot of power and strength and dignity. So, yeah, could the world could World War III potentially impact the markets? Well, yeah, but with inflation going up a lot, again, you got to think about that too, and we got to look back in the past, and we could just see like what happened. Here there was like a steady rise, there was like a big crash. Let me see. Yeah, we've been rising for a very, very long time. And this kind of has to do with inflation too. So, yeah, I mean, honestly, just be on the lookout. potentially crypto could have a massive crash if World War III happens, but there could be a massive pump. So, you know, look out for the surprises. And if you're holding crypto right now, don't sell it, but just buy the dip with even more money.